Hey, hey, all you cats and kittens. Get it? Cats and kittens. Because I'm wearing cats. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, I know. It's a bad joke. But hey, it is a joke. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Miss O'Connor, and I am here to just go over some things you may have missed if you didn't come to school yesterday. So, I sent out an email to all of you about things that need to get done. I know the first two things were blocked, and I'm working on that with the tech guy to get them unblocked for you. But you were supposed to sign up for Flocabulary, you were supposed to sign up for BrainPop, and you were to make a Flipgrid. Now, some of you have made the Flipgrids, and they are awesome. I am loving them. Keep them coming. My homeroom, I am going to give you a shout out. Whoop, whoop, because you are on it, okay? Flocabulary, I have almost half of you on. Same thing with BrainPop. There's about 15, 16 of you on. So the other classes, you got to step up your game. I'm only seeing 5 or 6 of you signed up. Okay? The second thing is you need to be able to get into PowerSchool and Canvas. If you have not gotten into those yet, you need to try to get in. So if you cannot get in, I know you can't get in, and one of your teachers or me can help you get in. If you're in Miss Rowdy's class and you did not get your numbers on the pink card, you need to email me so I can get you those numbers. This is where your fast track work is going to be. This is where your work's going to be, okay? So you need to be able to get on there, all right? So with that said, I want you to have a good day. If it's not a good day, make it a good day. And today is B-I-N-G-O day for us, okay? Yes. Bingo. I said bingo, if you didn't know. All right, see you in a little bit.